Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about RQT in ROS. So RQT is a GUI interface that lets you work with plugins for robot control and other visualization. So you want to run this here to install RQT. And then after you installed it, you type RQT to start RQT. So you're going to see this window here pop up. But before we do anything, let's go ahead and run some nodes. So we're going to do ROS2 run turtle sim and then turtle sim node. So this is our turtle sim node here running. And then we're going to go ahead and run another one for the teleop. So we're going to say ROS2 run turtle sim and then turtle teleop key. So here you can see us moving it, right? Okay, so inside RQT, what we want to play around with is going to plugins, and then under services, we're going to choose our service caller. So here you can see there's different things you could do. Specifically, what we're gonna do here is try spawning a new turtle. So spawn, and then you could choose a location. So I'm just gonna enter some uh, X and Y value here. And then if I hit call, you should see a new turtle get spawned, okay? And we can also edit the turtle path color. So if we go here, we'll see our turtle one. So turtle one, we have a set pen. So set pen, let's say we want it red. So 255. Now if I were to move it, I need to set it here. So need a call. So now if I come back to here and I move it, you see that it's drawing in red. Okay, so that's how the RQT works. It's pretty much a GUI interface that lets you change things. Okay, and we can also change control to the new turtle by running this. So ROS2 run turtle sim, all of this here. So I'm going to copy this in this new window. So ROS2 run turtle sim, turtle teleop, ROS args, remap, and we're going to set turtle1 command velocity to turtle2 command velocity. Okay, so now if I look at this turtle, you can see this one will start moving. Okay, so we have now shifted control to the second turtle. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to talk about nodes. Go check that out. If you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.